Hello students, I'm your online teacher Anamika. This is the fourth part of my video on chapter 1 of NCERT 6th standard book. Name of the chapter is Knowing Your Numbers. We are going step by step of our NCERT book, so follow all my videos for complete understanding. We are clear about the concept of estimation from my previous video. So let's start to estimate sum or difference. The first step in estimating a sum or a difference is to round the numbers by changing them to the nearest power of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Let's take an example. 74 plus 48 is 122. Now we will find out the estimate sum. So 74, one's digit is 4. So this number is rounded down to 70. 48, one's digit is 8. So this number is rounded up to 50. 70 plus 50 is 120. So the estimate sum is 120. Next example, 284 minus 268 is 16. So the actual difference is 16. Now the tens digit in 284 is 8. So this number is rounded up to 290. The tens digit in 268 is 6. So again, this number is rounded up to 270. 290 minus 270 is 20. So the estimate difference is 20. Here you have some more examples to estimate sum and difference. Next topic is to estimate products. To estimate the result of multiplication, round the numbers to some close numbers that you can easily multiply mentally. Round off each factor to its greatest place. Then multiply the rounded off factors. Here is an example. 133 multiplied by 27. Here in 133, the tens digit is 3. So this number is rounded down to 100. In 27, the ones digit is 7. So this number is rounded up to 30. So the product is 3000. Also you can see that the real product is 3591. So this way you can estimate a product. Some more examples to estimate product. So students, let's start our next exercise 1.3. First question is, estimate each of the following using general rule. We have already done this in my previous slide, but we'll do it again. First part is 730 plus 998. Rounding off 730 to the nearest hundreds, we'll get 700 because the tens digit in 730 is 3. So this number is rounded down to 700. Now the tens digit in 998 is 9. So this number is rounded up to 1000. Therefore, 730 plus 998 is equal to 700 plus 1000, which is 1700. The next part is 796 minus 314. Round off 796 to the nearest 100. The tens digit in 796 is 9. So this number is rounded up to 800. In 314, the tens digit is 1. So this number is rounded down to 300. 800 minus 300 is 500. So the estimated difference is 500. Next part, 12,904 plus 2,888. Rounding off 12,904 to the nearest thousand, we'll get 13,000 because the 100th digit in 12,904 is 9. So this number is rounded up. In 2,888, the 100th digit is 8. So again, this number is rounded up to 3,000. So the sum is 16,000. Next part, 28,292 minus 21,496. Now again, these numbers will be rounded off to the nearest thousands. For that, we have to see the 100th digit. In 28,292, the 100th digit is 2. So this number is rounded down. It will become 28,000. In 21,496, the 100th digit is 4. So again, this number is rounded down to 21,000. So the difference is 7,000. The next part of the same question is to make 10 more examples. Let's take 10 more examples as follows. The next question is, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closure estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. The first part is 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. Rounding off to nearest hundreds. In 439, the tens digit is 3. So this number is rounded down to 400. In 334, the tens digit is 3. So this number is rounded down to 300. In 4,317, the tens digit is 1. So this number is rounded down to 4,300. So the estimate sum is 5,000. Rounding off to nearest tens. In 439, the ones digit is 9. So this number is rounded up to 440. In 334, the ones digit is 4. So this number is rounded down to 330. In 4,317, the ones digit is 7. So this number is rounded up to 4,320. So the estimate sum is 5,090. The next part is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Rounding off to nearest hundreds, you have to see the tens digit. So in 1,08,734, tens digit is 3. So this number is rounded down and it will become 1,08,700. In 47,599, the tens digit is 9. So this number is rounded up and it will become 47,600. So the difference is 61,100. Rounding off to nearest tens. Now in 1,08,734, ones digit is 4. So this number is rounded down to 1,08,730. In 47,599, the ones digit is 9. So this number is rounded up to 47,600. Now the difference is 61,130. Try the next part. The next part is 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Try to solve this as we have done in our previous parts. Also, the second part of this question is to give 4 more such examples. 4 more such examples are given below. The last question of the exercise. Estimate the following products using general rule and make 4 such examples. The first part is 578 multiply 161. In 578, the tens digit is 7. So this number is rounded up to 600. In 161, the tens digit is 6. So this number is rounded up to 200. Now 600 multiplied 200, the estimate product is 1,20,000. Next part, 5,281 multiplied 3,491. In 5,281, the hundredth digit is 2. So this number is rounded down to 5,000. In 3,491, the hundredth digit is 4. So this number is rounded down to 3,000. So the estimated product is 1 crore 50 lakh. Next part is 1,291 multiplied 592. In 1,291, the hundredth digit is 2. So this number is rounded down to 1,000. In 592, the tens digit is 9. So this number is rounded up to 600. So the estimated product is 6 lakh. Try the last part by yourself. Also, the next part of the question is make 4 such examples. So 4 more such examples are as follows. With these examples, exercise 1.3 is complete. This video is going to help all the teachers and students of class 6. So students, ask questions, try to solve problems, and thank you for watching. Happy learning. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.